Hello, it's Netta Monroe. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're not new here, you already knew I was coming out with this video. I spoke on it in my DIY waist slimming cream video. So this is how I wrap myself after I put that DIY waist slimming cream on. So if you'd like to see it, then stay tuned. So of course you're going to need some saran wrap. Saran wrap is like the key to any good wrap. It just kind of helps to keep everything in place. It helps to incubate it. It helps to make it warm. You know what I mean? And then this is the waist trainer that I am using. I actually got this from Amazon. I really like it. It is the most comfortable of waist trainers that I have ever had. It is a workout waist trainer. I am able to just really move around in it and be as aggressive as I want to with these Velcro adjustable straps. And here is the name brand. It is by Miss Molly. I'm going to leave the link to that down in the description box. And of course, I am using my DIY waist slimming cream. You can always buy a cream that someone else makes, you know, another company or whatever, but this is just what I have had and works for me, and I have tried other creams before. But this is the amount of cream that I'm going to be using for my size. That's what works for me. If you're smaller, use less. If you're bigger, use more. You know what you need, and just make sure it gets all over the problem area. So I do it all over my front and back. But I just place the cling wrap or saran wrap across the front of my body, and it sticks right there. And then I go around my body 4 times. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. It is a little difficult when you first start doing it, but as y'all can see here, after you do it so many times, it is really easy to do. And for me to just end it, I just puncture my fingernail through it and pull the roll, and it comes right off. So now I'm going to be putting on my Miss Molly workout waist trainer. And I like to hook the top of it. It has this little hook at the top, and that just holds it into place while I am zipping it up. It can be a little difficult to zip it up once you put the cream on your body because it is a bit slippery, but that makes it a little bit easier. And then you just go ahead and zip it up, and as you can see, it shapes me out very well and it smooths me out, and I just love it. And I just go ahead, as a personal preference, I just pull my pants up above. And then here is, I wanted to show you guys this pocket right here that you could put your phone in while you're working out. So I really love this, and it's super cost efficient. Like, I think it was like $20 something. But you're going to take these 2 straps with the Velcro on it and go ahead and pull it as tight as you want it. So like I said, you can be as aggressive as you want to, but this is my wrap. So you can keep it on 8 hours a day, every single day to see results, or you can go ahead and just work out with it 3 times a week for an hour each time, like I do. And that is how I've been getting my results. So as always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for all your positive words about my snatchness coming along. And I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.
Everything I do is lit.